Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use Trello for studying, so let's get right into it. Now, I'll create a new board, and I'm going to name it, I don't know, school or something like that. And I'll choose some sort of background. I'll say this one, click create, and now I have a new board. Now, as you can see, I need to enter a list name or add a new list, and to do this, you can very easily just separate it by either subjects or by days. You can create an entire timetable. You can go into your calendar and create a calendar of your classes by going here, adding cards, and then of course just adding them in the days where they're supposed to be, making them, well, be repeating until you disable them, etc, etc. But yeah, for example, I'll add a list named math, I'll add history and English, for example, and for math you can add, I don't know, test, and then you can add project or something like that, and then you can go into the test and then set the date, and then set the date when the test is going to be. You can also put the time down. I'll put, I don't know, 4:20 p.m. and you can set a reminder so that you get reminded before the test happens. You can set it a day before, a couple of days before, it doesn't matter. But yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. You can just enter whichever data you want in whichever view you want. If I go into calendar, as you can see, this is what it looks like, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.